All right, so maybe you're like me and you bought the nice Virtuapin Plunger Kit right here and decided to get it, and you live in Canada and you had to pay duty, so you really overpaid for the thing. You got it here, and then instead of using the nice fancy Virtuapin software, you tried to load it onto Pinscape. And in doing that, you ruined the board, not ruined it, but you got rid of the Virtuapin firmware, and now you can't get it back because all the reading you do online find out that you can't actually get it from them. You got to send it back and they'll do it. I've reached out, never heard back. They're great guys. I'm not knocking them, I just haven't heard back. So I still want to use my new plunger I bought. So here's what I did to fix it. Okay, so in the Pinscape software or configuration settings, obviously you're going to pick your KL25Z and you're going to scroll down to the plunger setting. And what you want to choose here is sensor type VCNL4010. All right, so simple stuff there. It's the one right on the bottom, at least on my version of it. And then you need to change STA to PTC2. So that's the pinout on the KL25Z, and SCL to PTC1. So in the little breakout cable, which I'll show here in a second, this is what if you look at the board configuration, that's what you need. Then you're going to go into your live sensor view, and the only thing I really had to change here was my jitter filter after doing the calibration, and the thing worked great. There's still a bit of a timing issue. I know with Virtuapin there's a few other settings you could do, but this is as close to what I can get it to. And the jitter filter I just kind of changed until the thing just stopped going nuts in the game. So again, once you've done that, you're going to go program KL25Z, and the thing should work just fine. So here's the actual KL25Z board, and this is the breakout that goes to the plunger. And again, PTC1, PTC2. This is just a ground and a 3.3 volt, so no big deal there. Those are lined up properly. You just need to go into Pinscape and make sure that 1 and 2 are set up here for the SCL and the STA. Also, obviously I had to go in and redo all the buttons on this side. But that was pretty simple. Same thing there. Just kind of go into the configuration utility, set the utilities, set the KL25Z, and send it along. So that's pretty much it. I hope this helps somebody out if you want to get this working. Obviously, maybe at some point Virtuapin will make it where you can get that firmware from their site, or they'll send it to you. But I fully understand there's a lot of people ripping this industry off right now, and they're trying to keep their proprietary stuff theirs. So full respect to them. It's a great kit. It really was everything I needed, but this is how I was able to fix it. So don't subscribe, and have a great time.